I'm Vivian Gaspar, the attorney's guide, helping attorneys turn more consults into clients. Do you have RBF? I know what that means, but in case you don't, it means resting you know what face. And it applies to both men and women. And a lot of people don't realize they even have it. And of course, unfortunately, it becomes more prevalent with people over 40, maybe 45. And you can have it even when you're younger. But the problem is it can mean different things to the person perceiving them, which will frequently be your consult. But what if it's also the judge if you're doing Zoom court? What if it's also the other party when you're doing arbitration or mediation? How you're being perceived is everything. But if you're not aware that when you're seriously just in listening mode, you're just there to take in what they're saying, you're listening to them intently. But if you're not aware that you have RBF, it could be sending the wrong signals, the wrong messages. You could be perceived as grumpy, distant, disengaged, or just aloof. You need to ask people, when you're just listening to someone, how do they perceive you to be? It is your responsibility as an attorney to take control of the entirety of how you're being perceived, both how your face is, your body language, your microfacial expressions, your tonality, your cadence, how you're delivering on all levels. And that includes, what does your resting, listening face convey? You need to be aware. And so I call it RBF because people like to chuckle, but it brings your attention to the fact that you need to be in control of what your resting and listening face is conveying. Ask people in your circle, what do you convey when you're in listening mode? And take control of what it means. I'm Vivian Gaspar, the attorney's guide, and I help attorneys turn more consults into clients by helping those consults have the feeling that you are the attorney to give them their best and highest outcome.